Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's make eggplant fry, a quick, tasty, spicy recipe and easy to make. So here I have eggplant which is cleaned with water, and now I'm going to cut it into slices. If you're not going to make this right away, then they will turn dark eggplant slices when you cut. So you can soak it in water by putting some salt in water. But here I'm going to use it right away. So these are medium slices, not too thick, not too thin. Add salt, tamarind paste, and it's optional. If the tamarind paste is too sour, then add very little because the eggplant will become very sour. Turmeric powder, red chili powder as per your taste if you want it spicy, and cumin seed powder. And usually traditionally cumin seed is not added. I just add because it's good for digestion, so it's optional. Apply all the spices to the eggplant, massage it very nicely so that all the eggplant slices gets those spices and flavor. And after applying all the spices, let it rest for about 5 to 7 minutes so it absorbs all the spices, like marinate it for 5 to 7 minutes. And now ready. So we are going to roll eggplant into semolina. You can even take coarse rice flour or semolina, whichever you prefer. So roll it very nicely on all the sides. And now we are going to do shallow frying. So take some oil. I've taken coconut oil. Coconut oil tastes really good with this, so you can take any oil of your choice. Spread the oil, and this is iron pan, so first the flame will be high and then I'll make it low because it gets once it gets hot, it gets really hot. So put the eggplant slices on this griddle and cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Make sure the flame is medium because depend on what pan you're using. If it's iron, it gets hot very quickly. Well, it takes time to get hot, but then it remains hot for a long time. So flip on the other side, and nice and crispy. So flip on the other side and again cover and cook on the other side for about 4 minutes. They'll become soft very quickly. Now I'm going to check. Cover and cook on other side also. So before putting off the gas, you check it with a fork or something. So nice and crispy on both the sides. So check they're perfectly cooked, all of them, and check from the sides also. So ready to serve. This eggplant can be served as a side dish with your main meal with rice and curry. It tastes really good. So do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please subscribe Narisaki for more videos. Thank you.